Let's see, is it official business or no? Probably not. He's probably going to pick up his lunch. Rules for thee, not for me. Nope, there he goes. Yeah, he's going to pick up his dinner. You know, there's a parking lot in the back of these buildings here, but you know, I'm just saying, there's a parking lot behind the buildings. They can't be bothered to use the parking lot because, you know, rules for thee, not for me. They're just heading in the opposite direction now. Looking both ways, listening, paying attention. That's what you do. See, it's very easy not to get hit by a car. You just pay attention to what's going on around you. You gotta be f***ing kidding me. It's raining now? 0% chance of rain, huh? Sure. The clouds say otherwise. Uh-oh. In front of a cop, really? Get him! He drove on the wrong side of the road. Oh well, I guess the cops don't care. This is so annoying. Let's just leave it right in the middle of the sidewalk, like animals. Look out, look out, look out, look out. Be careful. What are you doing? Okay, he's moving now. You're on your phone, you got your... Don't hit me. You got your dog, you're on your phone, you're not paying attention. Yep, be careful. He's got his phone. He's on his phone, he's got his dog in front of him. Drive safely. Traffic check. Grand Central Parkway and 188th. Yeah, it looks like fun. So when you see people rushing to get onto the highway, that's what they're doing. They're racing to sit in a parking lot, basically. It's just... He's standing on the corner, right at the thing, looking at his phone, not paying attention. There's no clue what's going on around them. They gotta be on that phone. I got out of the street so our cars don't run me over. I mean, this is a really good one. Applebee's, which means I'm probably gonna have to wait there for a while. It is Friday and it's busy, I'm sure. Oh well.
I love to. I didn't realize Virginia Beach got down.
Excuse me. Yes? I just want to... Do you have that one yet? Thank you. Thank you very much. I got it. Sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yep. Yeah, they pack themselves in like sardines, don't they? And there's this lovely parking right on the... You can't move up here. You got to sit in the middle of the intersection looking at his phone. Yeah. Have a good one. Yep. They're both on the phone, sitting in the middle of the intersection. That's okay.
Okay.
Good. All set. Thank you. Have a good one. Thank you. There you go.
Thank you so much.
You got it. Have a good one. Yeah, just don't even bother looking. Go right to that stop sign. It's fine. You're on the wrong side of the road, too. That's wonderful. No helmet. Brilliant. You got it.
Swipe on that?
Yeah, thank you. Have a good one. Have a good one.
Yeah, I don't.
Yep. Have a good one. Why is it always the small dogs? Oh, look out! These idiots. Some parking skills right there. Wow. Some parking skills. Is he texting? Too lazy to just pull the car in properly? What's going on here? Oh, man. Whoa, whoa, whoa! That's why everyone's turning around. So everyone just goes, well, I see a lot of traffic. Let me just back up and go the other way.